Hi everyone, so today I'm reviewing the Crispy Honey Chicken by this brand. I don't want to butcher the name. White chicken meat tempura with a sweet sauce with honey. Okay, you can find it in the freezer section. It's like $6. So this is what it looks like. You don't get a lot, so they're little. They're like an inch pieces. And this is the sauce. I think the sauce is what gave the box a lot of weight. You know, I mean, this is a lot of sauce. I'm not gonna use all of this. This is the honey sauce. I'm using my air fryer. I'm sure they sell this everywhere, but I just happen to be at Walmart. I was just curious, but normally I make this stuff on my own. So I'm gonna put it in the air fryer, cook it up, mix it up, and I'll be right back. Hi everyone, I'm back, and I cooked the chicken using my air fryer. It's really good. It's full of flavor. I've always loved tempura chicken. It don't look like fake chicken. My hands are clean. It's hot. But it has the fibers, so it's real chicken. It's not like mushy like the chicken nuggets. This is really good. This is very good. The sauce is sweet, very sweet. You can taste the soy sauce. There's no heat to the sauce. It's like taking sugar and soy sauce. That's all I'm tasting. I'm not tasting any honey. So I'm just tasting really sweet, sugary soy sauce. But it's really, really good. So that's my review. Try it. I like it. Would I buy it again? I think I'll make my own. And you can look this up on YouTube, or you could use sweet chili sauce and just add some soy sauce to it. Okay? But if you want to try it, try it. It is good. So that's my review. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.